Okay, guys, I can see what's in this purely because I can, and I've got strong lights. Yeah, I've been wanting to buy this for ages, and I've just put off, going, this is amazing, but I'm not going to show you just yet. Hi, my name is John, Petershams Millinery, and welcome back to my day. What day are we on? Day 12. Is this day 12? Day 12 of this Christmas countdown with me, John of Petershams Millinery. Let's crack on after this intro. Oh my god, I am genuinely excited to show you this. Today's note. This burnt checkerboard ostrich feather is the perfect accompaniment to the basket weave. A neon match made in heaven. Yes, it is. Oh. Oh. Let me take it out of this packaging because look at, oh yes, this is divine, divine. See, if I could learn how to bend that, that would make a really good visor. Do you not think? I do. So let's check out the pricing for these single feathers. These retail at £9.50, and they come in multiple colours. You've got greens, you've got blues, you've got gold, you've got yellows, creams, ivories, black, burgundy, loads of different colours, but the pink, see, these girls know me, they know me. I'm a sucker for pink, and it does go very well with the basket weave. In fact, let me just open it up so it's a little bit more translucent. See? Oh, yes. Love, 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 love. I actually have, the best idea for this. That I'll be turning this into. So, yeah. Well, maybe not this one. It has spurred me on to actually get the one I want, so then I can. Oh yes, I am like a child in a candy store. So thank you, ladies. You have yet to be disappointed. So today's question of the day comes from another of my super fans, Hazel Edwards. Hi Hazel, I haven't spoke to you in a while. I've got a couple of questions from you, so we'll be coming through to them later on this month. And today's question is, what is my favourite piece I've ever made? My favourite piece I've ever made. I have a few. There's a Trixie one that I made for, it's called Tracy, but the Trixie Mattel one, which I made for YouTube a couple of years ago. I still have that. I'll pop up a picture of that right now. I also love this Neon Perspex one that is just beautiful. I made, yeah, this was one of the first times I experimented with sort of non-traditional millinery materials, and it's kind of what set me down a path of not trying to be different, but pushing what millinery is for myself. Like, is my console? Yeah, it is. Is it plugged in? Yeah. There was this bridal piece which I made for a photo shoot. I really, really, really enjoyed making this. The only thing I find with bridal pieces are, though, you can't put too much detail in it for a photo. I mean, they look beautiful up close, but I think from a wider, you lose some of that detail, which I suppose, you know, if you're making a bridal piece, the detail shouldn't be focused on one area. It should be focused on the entire look, head to toe, I suppose. So, and my current X-Terrace exhibition entry, I love it. It's massive, absolutely massive, and it is very much a futuristic LEDs, fibre optics, EL wire, wearable tech, you know, electronics. Yeah, that's yeah, those are my favourites, you know, and anything I'm currently working on is my favourite. Until I start working on something else, then that's my new favourite. So yeah, those are my favourite pieces I've ever made. So thank you very much, Hazel, for that question. So we're nearly halfway in, and we've still got like another 13 days to go. So my question to you is, what do you want for Christmas? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you're not subscribed, why? Make sure you do before you check out this video. And if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. We are putting videos up at 8 PM UK time for the month of December. All my social media is linked in the description box, as well as all the materials that we've got in this advent calendar so far. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye.